Hello everyone, this is Fasir Rahman. The topic on which we are going to discuss today is leverages. To undergo for the leverages, we should know how many types of leverages do we have. We would be having three types of leverages: operating leverage, financial leverage, and composite and combined leverage. How to undergo for that? I will be discussing in the upcoming problem, and as well we should have a brief idea about how to just find out leverage with this particular table. So have a look. In a particular problem, if they ask about the operating leverages, what we need to do, we need to find out. Generally the sales will be given, variable cost will be given. So based upon the sales and variable cost, from the sales we need to subtract variable cost, we will be getting contribution. From this contribution we need to subtract fixed cost, whatever the fixed cost is. So we will be getting EBIT. So for operating leverage, we require contribution and EBIT. Contribution divided by EBIT, that will be operating leverage. Whatever the answer will come, that will be operating leverage. For the purpose of financial leverage, we require EBIT and EBT or PAT. Okay. So for that particular thing, EBIT minus interest. Okay, earning before interest and tax minus interest. So we will be getting earning before tax. So if just interest has given, then we will be undergoing for that. If the tax is also given in the problem, then we need to undergo for the taxes too. We need to subtract taxes. Then it will become PAT. Till here, generally in general problems, we will be getting till here PAT. That will be financial leverage. Okay, EBIT divided by EBT or PAT. Okay, sometimes dividend would be given, so we need to subtract dividends too. Then it will become EPS. Okay, financial leverage. EBIT divided by EPS. That will become financial leverage. About the composite leverage, operating leverage into financial leverage. So that will become composite leverage. I will be showing you how to undergo for the problem with the help of some other methods. Here the problem is given in which the they are asking us to find out operating leverage as well as financial leverage. Okay, we'll see how to undergo for that. The total sales of a company are 7 lakh. Unit selling price is 10 and variable cost per unit is 7. Total fixed cost amount to rupees 1,70,000. The company financed its assets to an extent of 50% by debt, and the interest on debt amount to 20,000. The applicable tax rate of the company is 35%. Here, calculate the financial and operating and combined leverage of the company. In here we need to find out financial leverage, operating leverage, and combined or composite leverage. So here the problem has given, in this problem the sale has given, the total sale, and variable cost per unit has given, fixed cost has given, okay, and interest rate has given. So based upon this particular thing, we will be undergoing for operating leverage and financial leverage. For undergoing for the operating leverage, what we need to do, we would be having we need to just undergo in this way: sales, whatever the particulars, amount. Okay, sales, whatever the sale is, we need to write that is 7 lakh. Then less variable cost, we need to subtract variable cost. What is variable cost? Variable cost per unit is 7 rupees. So 7 rupees per unit, in the sense how many unit it was, we need to find out. Okay, first of all, for that we need to undergo for the working notes. I will be showing where the working note is. Working notes: total selling unit is 7 lakhs. The per unit rate is, say, unit selling price is 10 rupees. Okay, so we are dividing with 10. 7 lakh divided by 10 is 70,000. So 70,000 units. We found 70,000 units. This 70,000 units are going to be written in the variable cost. Variable cost 70,000 into 7 rupees per unit. So 70,000 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. Then about the zeros, we are just substituting zeros. So it's for 4,90,000. Again, what we need to do, we need to subtract. Then we will be getting this answer. That will become contribution. First part which we require for operating leverage. This is contribution. Then less fixed cost, whatever the fixed cost is. Over here the fixed cost has mentioned as 1,70,000. We are writing 1,70,000 over here. We need to subtract this from contribution. Again, from contribution, fixed cost is going to be subtracted from the contribution. We will be getting EBIT. Again, EBIT. Now our formula is operating leverage is equals to contribution divided by EBIT. Our contribution is 2,10,000, EBIT is 40,000. 2,10,000 divided by 40,000, this is, it comes as 5.25. This is our answer. Okay, operating leverage. Now for the financial leverage, how to undergo for the financial leverage? For the financial leverage, what we require EBIT divided by PBT or PAT. Now if we will be having just this thing, that is the reason we will be undergoing with the PBT. EBIT, what is EBIT? Here we found EBIT as 40,000, so that directly we are taking. Then less interest on debts, that is 20,000. In the problem it has mentioned interest on debt amount is 20,000, so we are substituting interest on debt, that is 20,000. 40,000 minus 20,000, that will be 20,000. Now we are going to substitute this into our formula, EBIT divided by PBT. EBIT is 40,000, PBT is 20,000. So 40 divided by 20, that will be 2. Okay, that will be 2. This is our financial leverage. Now we will be undergoing for the combined or composite leverage. For the combined or composite leverage, what we need to do, we will be having a formula like operating leverage into financial leverage. Our operating leverage value has come as 5.25. Our financial leverage value has come as 2. 5.25 into 2, that will become 10.50. This is our combined leverage. Okay, hope you people have just understood how to undergo for that particular problem. Okay, thank you for watching.